So I just got the Sony A80J OLED. Took it out of the box, and suddenly I lost grip, and this what happened. Yes, I broke my brand new TV. Before we start, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This will help me immensely with YouTube algorithm. So instead of crying over spilled milk, I just decided to open the TV because it's not going to be covered under warranty anyway, because it's my fault. So here you go. So opening the plastic backing is very easy. I just had to pull the top part of the plastic backing, and then just by using light forces, I can take all the entire backing from corner to corner fairly easily. What I see inside actually impresses me because it looks more packed than the regular TV. Take, for example, the power supply board. It's really huge, and from looking at it, it's very clear that the board can actually handle all the way up to 240 volts. So theoretically, if there is any type of fluctuation in the electrical input all the way up to 240 volt, this TV can handle it. This also means Sony is using the exact same power supply for their market in Europe and in Asia, where the 220, or in Australia 240, is more prevalent. On the right side of the TV, I see the HDMI inputs, and it has the network input jack as well. So it goes to one board that has the HDMI or all kinds of input board, and it's attached directly to the Sony X1 processor. They are both within one board. So the input and the brain, they're on one single board. Moving on to the sound system of this TV, right smack dab in the middle on the top part of the TV, you can see the subwoofer assembly. This dual subwoofer enclosure is made of hard plastic. It's really solid, and it has bass reflex tubes that goes to the top of the TV. Now let's move on to the exciters. The exciter is actually like a speaker, but without the cone. So from the voice coil, it vibrates instead of a cone, it vibrates a piece of metal. That piece of metal is being stuck on to the OLED panel, and from there, it vibrates the front glass of the OLED panel. This makes the sounds like the entire panel itself sounds like a one huge stereo speaker. So the signal comes in from the HDMI input. From there, it's routed to the XR processor. And from the XR processor, before it goes to the panel itself needs some kind of regulation. That is done by this chip. And as you can see, the chip is made by LG because, as we all know as well, that all OLED panels are currently made by LG Display. Now let's have a look at the display itself. The OLED panel, as you can see, it's cracked on both sides. But as I mentioned earlier, that's because of my own doing. The impact was extremely massive though, because as you can see in the next pictures, the OLED panel itself can flex that dramatically. No, it's not the new Sony curved OLED display. But it's pretty cool though, that I can make it curved that way. So that's it. That's what's inside Sony's A80J OLED TV. What's the point of this video? Just as usual. Just like my JL breakdown video, I just want to share what I see and what surprises me, what excites me about these products. So I hope you like the video. And as usual, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.